Hello everyone, this is Srija from CSE Department of First BTech. Now me and my friends Shivatmika and Satya are going to explain about Python dictionaries. We are guided by Dr. M. Prasad, Department of CSE, Swag Bhimavaram. What is a dictionary in Python? One of the basic data structures offered by Python is its built-in dictionary. Dictionary items are unordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Python dictionary is an implementation of a data structure known as associative array. A Python dictionary contains two values, a key and a value. To access the value associated with a given key in the dictionary, the key must be both unique and hashable. Now, here is an example regarding Python dictionary. There is a curly brace which contains a key and a value with a semicolon in between. This is how we write a dictionary. Now, how to create a Python dictionary? To create an empty dictionary, first create a variable name which will be the name of the dictionary. We can create in Python by wrapping a collection of objects in curly brackets and segregating them with a comma. The dictionary keeps track of a couple of entries. One part of this is called a key, and the other is called the value of the key and is referred to as the key value pair. We can store any data type as a value for the key and give the same value to the keys, but keys should be immutable and unique. Here is an example, and the dictionary name is MyDict, which contains Alex, Ben, Carly, Daniel, Evan, which are the keys, and 5, 10, 12, 7, 6 are the keys of the dictionary. How to access a dictionary value in Python? To access the dictionary value in Python, you have three options. You can use dictionary value method to get all the values in the dictionary, and you can also use a square bracket to get a single value, and also we can use a dictionary get method to safely get a single value from a dictionary. And here are the options to get dictionary values in Python. Dict.values is used to access all the values in a dictionary in Python. And here is dict, which is containing key. If you want to get a single value, use the square bracket access operator. And here is another option to access or to get the values in Python, that is dict.get of key. In addition to use square brackets to access dictionary values in Python, you can use the get method. Simply, we can check whether a key exists in a dictionary. We have to use a membership operator. Membership operators are used to test whether a value is found in a sequence. Example, strings, lists, tuples, sets, or dictionaries. So here now we have two operators, which is in and not in. These are used to tell if a particular value is present in dictionary or not. Here is an example, and here the pets is the dictionary name, and if we want to know if dogs is present in this dictionary or not, we use the method in. So as we have dogs in the dictionary, we have to print dogs found, and here is the output. And here are some of the other examples. If you want to learn, you can read from this.
Hello everyone, this is Shivatmika. Now I'm going to explain you about functions in Python. Python provides various inbuilt functions to deal with dictionaries. Now the first function is clear. It removes all the items from the dictionary. Sometimes there are too many elements present in dictionary. Deleting all the key value pairs one after the other is a very time-taking process. This is where the clear dictionary Python built-in function comes in handy. Now, the copy function returns a shallow copy of the dictionary. The Python dictionary copy function is used to get a copy of the dictionary. You can copy the Python dictionary in different ways. Copy method does the shallow of the copy of the dictionary. Next, the from keys. It creates a dictionary from the given sequence. Python dictionary from keys function returns the dictionary with key, mapped, and specific value. It creates a new dictionary from the given sequence with a specific value. And the get function. The function get returns a value from the given key. If the key is not available, then the return default value is none. It's an easy way of getting the value of a key from a dictionary without raising an error.
Hello everyone, this is Satya and my topic is methods in Python. Methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on lists and arrays. Append. Add an element at the end of the list. In Python dictionary, the append function is used in add elements to the keys and dictionary. And I'm giving the example under the definition. Count. returns the number of elements with the specified value. Extend in the Python dictionary, extend means to the concentrate the first dictionary with another dictionary index. This method is used to find the index of an item in a list. Since dictionaries do not have a sequential index, you cannot use the index function directly with the dictionaries. However, you can use it with the list of keys or values obtained using the lists and keys, values and methods. Insert. Add an element at the specified position. Remove. Removes the first item with the specified value. Reverse. Reverses the order of the list. Sort. Sort is the list. It helps to sort the list. Comprehension. The creation of dictionaries, Viva dictionary comprehension are specified and clear. If you want to create dictionaries with just one line of code, Python dictionary comprehension is really helpful to you. Dictionary comprehension. It has an example under the definition. Thank you.
Items. The items function returns a list of tuples containing the key value pairs of the dictionary. The first item in each tuple is the key, and the second item is its associated value. Items function is generally used to iterate through both keys and values of the dictionary. The next one is keys. It returns a view object that displays a list of all the keys in the dictionary in order of insertion. The keys function returns a view object. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary. Pop. It returns and removes the element with the given key. Pop item. Python pop item function removes an element from the dictionary. It removes attribute elements and returns its values. If the function is empty, it returns an error. Set default. It returns the value of a key if the key is in the dictionary, else inserts the key with a value to the dictionary. Update. Python update function updates the dictionary with key and value pairs. It inserts key or value if it is not present. It updates key or value if it is already present in the dictionary. It also allows an interval of key or value pairs to update the dictionary. Values. It returns a list of all the values available in the dictionary.